Hey, hello guys, it's How to Tech Simplified back again with another easy tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how you can easily link your Xbox Live account to your Ubisoft account. Now it's very easy, so let's get straight into it. The first thing that you want to do is open up your preferred browser, head down to ubisoft.com, go to the top right corner right here and sign into your existing Ubisoft account. Now from there we go down to the account management. This will open up a different tab on your browser, and here you get to the account information. Now here you scroll all the way down till you find the linked accounts, and here you see the Xbox option right away. Press link, and from there you can press continue. Now this will open up a pop-up. If the pop-up doesn't open up, simply head down to the top left corner of your browser, because sometimes you need to allow it first. Now here simply accept the terms, and the connection will happen straight away. Simply press continue. If you need to log in, simply log into your Xbox account, and that should be about it. Now you can see that my Xbox Live account has been linked to my Ubisoft account. Now if this tutorial was helpful, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. It helps me a lot, and thanks for watching.